So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Disney stock, ticker symbol DIS here in Canada, using the Questrade application. So open up Questrade, go to the top right, press on the search icon, or the bottom left, press on buy and sell. Once you're on the search a symbol page, as I mentioned before, type in Diz or just type in Disney. I'm at the top here, Walt Disney Company. Go ahead and press on that. Then go to the bottom left and press on the green buy button. Now either go share quantity here or dollar amount, type in the dollar amount or type in the share quantity. You can adjust the order type as well. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on next, and then follow the steps that come afterwards. So very straightforward, very simplistic. This is how to buy Disney stock, ticker symbol DIS here in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.